very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test.
Hi, we are a group of students from Agustinos and we are going to make an experiment to our mates in Georgia.
We have a magnet and we try to move it quickly through an electric spool. We connect the LED to the spool. What is going to happen? Are we going to create electric current? Will the LED turn on? Will the experiment?
The experiment is based on Lorentz law that says that the change of the magnetic field produces an electric current. It's also based on Lorentz law. In addition, we have talked lots of time with our teacher in order to get more information about the experiment. He has helped us a lot.
The electric spool creates a magnetic field through itself. In addition, we create a magnetic field with a magnet. So according to Lenz's Faraday law, if we change the magnetic field, we create electric current and it will go inside the spool. Then the LED will turn on. How are we going to change the magnetic field? We are going to move the magnet through the spool. To sum up, if we move the magnet through the spool, we are creating electric current, so the LED should turn on.
First of all, we have the spool. Then we have the LED. After that we have the cables. And finally we have the magnets. First of all, we have the spool. The spool is connected with the cables, the red to the positive part and the black to the negative part. And the cables are finally connected with the LED, with the green LED. So, here we've got the magnets. If we put the magnets inside and outside of the spool, we create electric current.
When we were going to do the experiment, the first thing we did was to test the LEDs to see if they work. LEDs are supposed to work with 1.5 volts, so we tried to light the LEDs with a 1.5 battery and they didn't work, so we went to buy another LED. We tested the new LED and it didn't work either, so we tried to light the LEDs with 2 batteries and Eureka! They worked! After that, we finally tried the experiment and it didn't work because of the magnet, and we went to buy some magnets. We tried the experiment again and it worked. We were ready to start filming this video.
If the experiment worked, that means that our hypothesis was right. So we can affirm that if we move a magnet through an electric spool, we create an electric current, enough to turn on a small LED. To sum up, we can say that according to induction and electromagnetism laws, a changeable magnetic field creates an electric current. Nowadays, induction is one of the most important developments in technologies, so it is used in a lot of different things. Because of this, it will be a great idea for future studies to analyze the possibilities of this powerful tool. We have achieved to turn on LED with a small magnet. What if we try to turn on a city with a big one? All these things should be investigated.